How's it going, everybody? I'm doing a seat upgrade on the Audi off-road. We're here at my local salvage yard. I got a notification that this car had arrived. This is a 03 A6 4.2 Quattro. It's got the belt V8. Let me show you what's going on. I've got my dad here helping me. It's the first time I've ever taken seats out of one of these cars, but it is incredibly easy. So there are, let's see, let me show them. There are two bolts here in the front of the track. You take those out, and the seat, I gotta open this door, Dad. Okay. The seat has these arms. This one has a cover on it that are in these tracks. The tracks are on the sides of the floor. So you take those two bolts out in the front. You got them out?
Yep.
Okay. Just push it back a little bit. And that's it. That thing is free. I think we want to lay them down flat just to make it easier to put them in my car.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, show them that battery trick.
Okay, yeah. So we've also got we're very fortunate because this car, the wiring hasn't been messed with at all. So I was just able to bring my jumper. This is a jumper box. So we hook this up. Hook this up, hook it up to the battery cables. All right, try it.
There it goes.
Yep, and we're able to move the seats. So, big time score for the off-road. I'll probably put these in this afternoon.